Ever wanted to see a giraffe wearing sunglasses or a penguin in a tuxedo? With Crayon, your text prompts are transformed into fantastic images, faster than you can say, AI magic. Join us as we explore how this tool takes your creative visions and makes them a reality. Ready to see the magic in action? Let's get started. Crayon is a powerful AI tool that converts text descriptions into images. Simply type what you want to see, and Crayon will create an image based on your words. It's designed to be incredibly user-friendly, making it accessible even if you have no graphic design experience. First, let's talk about the features: text-to-image generation. Type a description, and Crayon generates a corresponding image in seconds. It's that simple, user-friendly interface. Crayon's interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. Customization options. While it's primarily focused on text-to-image, you can tweak prompts to get closer to what you envision. Crayon offers a free version, which is great for basic use. If you want higher resolution images or additional features, they have paid plans available. Pricing varies, so check their website for the latest details. How does Crayon stack up against other tools? Here's a quick comparison. Crayon versus DALL-E. Crayon is super easy to use but might not match DALL-E's image quality and detail. DALL-E excels in complex prompts and detailed images, but Crayon is more straightforward and user-friendly. Crayon versus Midjourney. While Crayon is perfect for quick and easy image creation, Midjourney offers more customization and artistic options. If you're looking for advanced features and stylistic flexibility, Midjourney might be a better choice. So, who's using Crayon? Here are some examples. Marketing. Create eye-catching visuals for ads and social media. Content creation. Generate unique images for blogs and presentations. Education. Make engaging visual aids and project illustrations. Recent updates have improved image quality and processing speed. Crayon is also working on expanding customization options and integrating with other tools, so keep an eye out for future enhancements. Experts appreciate Crayon for its ease of use and accessibility. However, they also note that while it's a great tool for quick and simple image creation, it may not yet compete with more advanced tools for detailed work. Crayon has an active user community sharing tips and feedback. For support, you can access a comprehensive help center and get direct assistance through email or chat. If you found this overview helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Want to try Crayon yourself? Check out the link in the description to get started today. And if you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear